Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable or manage notification badges on Google Maps to stay updated on traffic alerts and navigation updates, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your smartphone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. Step 3. Find and tap on Google Maps from the list of installed apps. Step 4. Tap on Notifications to manage notification settings for Google Maps. Step 5. Ensure that notifications are enabled by toggling on Allow Notifications. Step 6. Enable notification badges by toggling on Show Notification Badges or App Icon Badges. Step 7. Go back to the main settings menu and select notifications if you want to customize further. Step 8. Find Google Maps in the list and tap on it. Step 9. Adjust notification categories such as navigation, traffic updates, and location suggestions to control which notifications display badges. Step 10. Open Google Maps and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 11. Select Settings, then Notifications, and enable alerts for events and updates you want to see as badges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.